Be reviewing these screen protectors. I'm gonna be testing them out for y'all. They are easy, bubble-free application, resist fingerprints and greasy residue, shadow resistant film, protects your phone from falls, and tempered glass surface protects your phone from scratches. So I'm gonna test the residue like for my fingerprints, and I'm gonna see like if it scratches easily. So it comes with two, by the way, and it comes with like everything you need here. And it also helps you like to line it up perfectly, and it comes here to get rid of the bubbles. But let's see. This is the screen protector, and let's see, I'm scratching it. Let me get something sharp and scratch it. I have a metal piece here, and look, it's not scratching at all. My hands, no fingerprints either, if you see it. Actually, you see a few here. Actually, that's on the sticky side, my bad. But on the screen itself, like, it's not smudging, which is really good. So yeah, I do definitely recommend this. It bends and it's not breaking or cracking that bad or at all. So that's great. Definitely do recommend these.